Hey guys, so this is gonna be a quick video that I am going to put up because this is a no vlogging week as far as the book situation. I think the next video will be my October wrap up. So there we go. These are the 6 books, and you know guys, I love you probably should watch the video of my favorites and prediction, because I go in depth in why certain books how I felt about certain books and who I predicted and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna go into it in this video. Ooh, something's in my eyes. Yeah, so this video is gonna be very raw. Yeah, I'm nervous. Anyway, so it is after 3. So let's see if the announcement was done. And yeah, y'all gonna see. Well guys, I still have 45 minutes. So you know, I'll be back. Alright guys, so it's about 45 minutes later. The war's supposed to be done. I couldn't wait because, you know, I'm doing NaNoWriMo. Can't watch it. So anyway, let's see. Yes! Wasn't I right? If you watch my video, did I say if I had to choose, I would choose The Promise? I was right. I was right. Guys, for what I said in the video, this is why this one was the best. Although I enjoyed this one and also thought this one was good, the flaws in this one made me realize this was not gonna win. And then this one, because of the writing style, Booker normally don't go for that. So that's why I said The Promise. I was right. 2 years in a row, right? 2 years in a row I picked a winner. So I'm excited. Oh, he won. I was right. So there we have it, guys. Bye. I'm having my moment, guys. I was right. I picked the winner. Bye, guys.